Oh, Casache Ghana for a Sena Becca.
Yo, that's a prime. I mean, for a few years, and I mean, she I would take for any Ghana for my mom in action. And no question, and in I could see him, say, a year nominee, SCJ Fufra, a year Penny, John Drama, and Mahama, and nominating no. Now, and she said, when necessary nominee no appear before the appointment committee. Na appointment committee no. And she said, "Fufra, a standing orders and a rules so few on a young city and it say, so your minister, so your judge, you so your chief justice, say at the bar, if let it be subject matter committee, I just say committee a seminar fan for pan the leadership of that committee. Now, Omakoka, a appointment committee, no, normal vetting. The air run, VCG, a buy, no, I just said, under the judiciary, the leadership of the judiciary, no more. Over so I am Ramwa Seminar can do to me, the judiciary committee in quantity, necessary. The leadership of constitutional and legal affairs and so
okay.
Now so the leadership of subsidiary legislative almost as more.
Baby.
You could be saying, and our committee leadership me and saying, and I am minority side, yeah, me crown, me can we say, a subsidiary legislative committee, it should be.
Okay.
It is necessary. They join in the echo. I call Yakom, were clear in our mind. Sir, Yakototo, Pano, and
Sompa FM.
As she say, and someone, your questions here, Ubia, Bebusa, Binaquena, a Busan. Question and Sunian confirm free baby. I don't know what the fee said, obey. God, you or ma'am, that you are shot here, but there will be any mra, your man here acting CJ. So, the new man, what did he? No one send me a baby son. We were clear in our mind. In the uncle say, ye call Akokrati in the Sindia. Now, per our practice, I will see on. The committee crowd level not say a meeting. The chairman Casavia. The floor is given to the ranking member. Not on also. I did not know this so Obia. Do how between Yakache and see Unifia or Beckham.
Okay.
Nano Nandre, a chairman, a year first deputy speaker, Ira Bernard Ahiafo. Okasari, not by convention and by practice of the house, no necessary a year you are senior man can so. The man acquirement or the preliminary statement and a comment at the Tuga. Into a short years or also Eka. We have betting on near Quayanoa. And yes, small betting, a betting issues be by the appointment issues won't be brave. Into one who did on Kuman and Nimuno. And I said, yes, sir, would you not don Kuman and Nimuno ultimate Kasa? Not Oxford, not dreaming far dear near Baba Young Crown, son, I said, the main substantive betting also. And no shall here. And Tiasiano Ma at every point in time, they are not on my interjecting, I am majority leader. Now, you are Yarida. Now I interject it. And my answer whom is there, course, watch it. Was that time I shot here? Better now. We started somewhere around, I think, 11:20 or 11:25. That year, course, normally, preliminary comment, it's not more than 5 minutes. But you have your shots, you know, a year you are asonano. Now, before I ever be with that team room on minority leader, you are a your man.
Sompa FM.
I catch you are Yaraga, any you are here for say. Before I ever shot you, any preliminary comment or person will make me, or the three you are Yaraga. So, opposite. Make it open remarks and Sakrani Ashasi. And Omina every day you are the content of the statement that you are telling your person. The attack to say, and Kama conclave a moment now, Magia to now, the Axera or dear. Capo, Nucredia Mudia, Necroyedia.
Not just say, you're okay, saying, I'm not just say. The statement or the preliminary statement you are federal marking not a person what kind of it was not ambushed.
Dabida or the children you are any speaker goes to him, catch it on the statement in or statement or person or kind read it.
And almost read it.
Okay, or the children was already in the known of as someone. You are Fenyo Becca, and Tizenga, you are and Tias or Mecan. Come use some call conclave before the vet and get them catch them say, young mouth, my own can.
Go raise questions to that effect.
Will resist, they will not allow you to read it. But Uncle Banasa, to show the equity here, back and forth, until it could do baby, no answer, who said. A trimpobia, a year, Yura, Ayalaga, as a majority leader, no any a year members on the majority side. Edia, Oma Popo said they will not allow us, the minority, to make any comment. Yomufi said, if they put nominee no and answer the entire process, no, ye be no, if they put that process, the image of it into some questioning. The public will get to know, say, maybe say, Akosua, and so they will not allow. Obian can he, fear honor yet, so Obika them, nothing fun at memoir. Speaker or who pine, say, Obemani Pano are retracted, and a member between me, sorry. Raise any concern about the issues about it. Now, Abia speaker Sheni Pan say on train sign. And I remember that now no so make a we are on so about the counter or the counter statement. Oh, what am I can when to hear no sa near the ethics. But the woman said, "Unto can send me would be good or be hoofy." I know, dear, your man near the year, Juma, a year, I should be German, and my home quite sad. Then, somehow you are your marking, not a person walking. There would be anyone know the a good a year nominee, not what to wire about the Tutuna, or the animals, and I say.
Honorable Ayaga said, the word disputed nominee to him was offensive to the nominee. And no, what is say?
Sir, a buying a coy, a penny be so good, maybe any. That's a dumb Kumano say, yea, process are more fast on it. If you say, and your papa so already a quite man pass so, the na or honum dadano, what the Azina Juma, what they ma obino. I come back. I do create in a court. I can once disputed. The new Nisa Ayabrofo, a Bronica sa, what the battery and moi. That's a friend or person fair. nominee and some
Sompa FM.
The position idea man. That is the position of the minority. And no, Obia ni point say, Obejisa, Yesu Yema, Yesu, the minority see Omusu Fasa, the appointment. Send you a good fan. Obia ni wa obetumi agisa at the end of the day. And that was the position of the minority. Say, a disputed nominee because there are issues almost about 6 court cases. Some are in Supreme Court, some are in the High Court. A Bikura or ECOWAS Court. So the minority leader was right by using that particular word. Using the word disputed, an issue. And you know, the debate in us say, Wako Kasa MP, Yama Hunkwine, Yama Hunkasa. Yadi and Don Kumano. You break in one. You might a coffee break me, or you could see I. You could say, a Timpobima, a year, a Don Cassiano, majority side, no, Abo Posse. Omo Makwaima, a year, Dom Kumana, a year committee initially. To be part of it, and I say a kind of India. So they will frustrate us. And if that is the decision, I say back. Biomwa, minority leader, emphasize Akwenyanaso. Now on country, I had the chairman and he said, Oshani Omana Akosonwa, who the Pepe said, and yet the Amopese we want the minority to be part of a vetting process. I am to see a baby say the vetting process, a BSc pain. Now the one not feeding Kurano, actually Bob the baby terminal way prejail. We don't want to get to that point again. A BSc. So the best thing is said, yeah, we will accuse ourselves from the vetting. So that we can go ahead and do whatever they want to do. Exactly, no, so you buy, no. In Yakwenya, Pepe. And I you are telling you,
Wadaruma, Mammy Musawi. Moka say, Mufi say, Openina, our Mampenia, you know, a justice, a Bafuboni, no. Is in an acting position. Adentina Kwon Koso, acti. Nanka cotton sensem no a. Ewo no munyina no. Enka, womunwie ansana, ni huesane. Asemi, murezi wa parliament. Emma speaker ruling on it. And on the mark, ma vetting basso. It's not a Rafael marking as a raising bill, no. Majority also fell say, as some speaker, I can't want some no. It is not in contention here. Tiadington or Sarcofaba. And what you say?
The Rafael marking kind of the floor of parliament. We a vetting and opposite. Raises our issue with you. It is a majority leader and then a majority leader. Oh, the ruling as speaker the mind last Friday, you know, I was the same issue, you know.
Okay.
Tinka Kayram Venomaki, I can you know. Not speaker, first deputy speaker, no, or yet the chair of the committee, no. Who find for us say, you're a Venomaki, can say, we Rebecca said. What I'm now carrying in already know. Speaker among one, Yababu, the free a year. Hansard in him, man and boom, if he said, a someone speaker, a buamu, and some dada. But, Sana, a bit difficult. Put me can some and then 9 years. Put what an officer or can be a speaker. I didn't answer, son. I was someone.
Okay, no, okay.
Put me my coin. Say, okay, what do you call? They see that they are, and no to me can't send me. If you are telling you now, oh, can't someone, not speaker or share the atmosphere, no. Or see, there be with your name, but it depends now watching, and I be at Sukrana or Bana or Baba can't summon the tone now the other shot here. Oh, okay, go ahead and make your comment. After that, we will be America. In the TIC of your we are masters of our own rules.
Okay.
The beer who I had the straight jacket.
Okay. Now, Ebimo, na madwene no mu no akwete se 70 kosu ne se omo e de coma committee na committee no so the bamra se be dwefia edom kasie wo mo wo numbers abato okro ometwi afam so se no so ba so saa na se maame no yenya e the chief justice esi so se ono na e Ghana chief justice a mo fam no mo fi se court nsema aka nyina no ebe ehwebu ada eno na ma na nka mo pese omo ntwentwen so ana
yo omemu aye de mra na ye adwuma se obi afa kwati kwan bi so a woni no ofi se kwan ofa so no nye pampa na wajapade na waji wadwuma bi afiri nsem na ofi se anya kwan a se nkofa so no nti no nso kopent fitire na yanya ntoboase yempom wanya ntrekire mu no na behu an se ni ana oje wadwuma na asande wadwuma ma obi fufura wo ya etia mra ne kakra ebu mra na ni mafe yanya dom kuma no ye no nya se ye se ye ma me tokonu isaba former chief justice ye say Omanhene Don Dramani Mahama on fa the DBA ne man bi mu e bi say Ewura Don Dramani Mahama ene na ban omo bo mutirim dada se sa maame no ekwan a omo de ne be fa so no eno no nto omo de na fa so awie nti bibia no obetumi asa minority want to get everything and should be able to be documented, to be captured in the handset for the future purposes. Except that to be. See, that guy may be sorry. The use evidence no I capture. Ewo handset no ya kire Ghana for. So a similar situation happened. Na muaya Ghana for the man ni ti se na se si bio mu a Ghana ni bia ni ho a wo kwan bia so busa ho asem nti yen ye position no de we wanted everything bia no should be documented. Nti se court kura wu a e ba court mere no mahiem se hands of parliament so kan bia ebekom ya de akoto kama e di fie oha ana dionu ana edu ana nwotwe a na ba fufuro bi ba na opeso ofa kwan a e ya ban otisu ya ndisi aban fa so di yi chief justice no so fa so ayi bia ankwa ye say bibi fufuro emom na bi asipen dia ya don kuma ne kana ye eni adwin da bia da say Ewura Mahama ba be frɛ ye maami tokonu so omra magi na adwuma bi mu. It is out of the question, out of the equation.
Okay,
that is not the intention of the minority. At ye pese emra kwan so no bi bia esi bia no should be well captured, documented. Sani otene bi no se obi abanfufuro bi basuna oye bia, there will be enough evidence ewo ho a ebetumi di akina so na nipa no so ana abanfufuro no so watumi di atu saa na mo.
Okay, Honorable Kennedy Osenya akon mrashe bedwani ma akem so aduru anope ye beda ase wo nkyeremu. Okay, yedi nkomo mene eye ya Boakye bewie na ya bo awura edom kase no so afa na ya busa wo nsem e course nra no de almost so ewo kan wo ho ya me mo akwaba
me jo so buru
na ho te say
ye ho adom na won so
ye do ba de ase anopa mi enti from future life
yo ye da se pa me chi obi biara wo tie me ena no pay say urade de da foforo a che yen Sompa FM na yeni ahurusie ewo mu esan se wapom de ho asem ehia yen de ekeke nyina se woni apom de na mfa so bia eneso obechira kaso aye niema nyina ba ko mienu miensa na wapom de eni hɔ a de wo bia ye kwa eno na no pay ye tutu mirika ya ba ye bobo dewuro se mo wapom de ho asem ehia wo yen ye de amede ya ba de eye aduane na wudie enye edro na wonom eye aduane na wudie na anigi sem se bre wudie no obemen ebesa apam yade nyina afre wo ho de tie ne se aduane no FDA kore ma ye kwan se ye mo yade bi adin intimi de minim se ba yere to ahye sa aben wode ane se wudie aduane ni din sorry aduane ni din e the future life dache wonkwa ene sese wo bo ho ban na no de na obi ene ebo amawo eye wa so de da wo so wapom de ho asem ya so de da wo so your health is your own responsibility e da wa wo so se bo ho ban na aduane future life dache wonkwa ifiri utirim kosi unase onanim de ye wo ani sa oba na sa o me ehuna na aduane na ya ahodo ne yetima kyerɛw na won so wadi ama aboa wo bi aboa me aka won so be di adanse future life natural food supplement tieni future life natural food supplement ye mfansi jaso ya wie dada ani nti ete se ya wie gari na odi nsu afra na wudie no ete se ya ye salala ka wie na odi nsu afra na wudie no sana future life so te ya wie dada nti so odi nsu ofra na wudie no na ni gisam se bra wudie no o men na epam ne bebre efre wo ho enu nti future life natural food supplement Enfrafa yebian frem nieme wo mu nyina ye natural ekura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids omega 3 selenium modular inulin dietary fiber high in protein ene ye de agu aduane ba kom se di na men na mpam yare mfre ho fi se yare ya me de nei de me kamfo mu bi biara se odi future life no oba bi a wonyem se wonyem dia the future life na obohun se ebeboa wo adentira wa hoɔden no ɛwɔ fam ɛno na ama CS adɔɔso no wobɛkɔ no yɛsɛ woni ahoɔden a wode wɔ na sɛ wodi future life di a ɛne yɛwogyira brane sɛ wodi future life gyina wogyira pintin mese sɛ wodi future life di a wonhia CS wo wonhia me say oba akɔ school mani google na wohu the benefits of taking future life wɔhwɛ a obohunu mfaso a wɔso ebra wodi future life no mimi nim bibia akora no minim se containing natural folic acid oba bia wonyim wohia folic acid enu nti okɔ a ye twere ma wo no di aduane wodi di future life enu ne bobo da ache ho ban ubedina no pa awia na wodi okuru moduane anwumre na wodi future life na sa wo koda na wonom life tonic sana future life tie anopa the future life your breakfast awia di ukuru moduane anwumre na the future life na sa wo koda na wonom life tonic eno ne baboa wo
ma me kwa homa no so na enje adanse free onua ba ko a okọ future life na o won semika hello me mo achi o
eso
na mpom te say
ya dominant
ya do ba dia say yentie wo se wo ensam ba ko mienu e kan fa future life dwumadie ho yetie o
I know na future sedeko aya group o me na no na me amakoho ti ho dan te jema o pa kam ko to o se ne ya re to
enu na ebem
na ese de ti an anopa ubeti ta kala ebi anu du ko mo ya ebi anu du kala se obo o se e ni bo ni bo
Openi wadama. Dia na wo namu ani nti edu kopi ho.
Oh, nice. No, yare.
O pressure.
Ana titire yare.
Na ye say ma ho twetwen.
Ma mo twetwen. Ya mo tue.
Ti wo ko ho no mo be si ndey no. Pressure no ni diabetes na ti say.
To say no 25. So yeah, 4.5.
What's it that 4.5? That's a far level. To canino now, canina, I'm saying 23. 33. Hey, that's why you're walking kakasu. Whoa.
The Koda man, he said, one can what
who says I am from
come on, listen
to okay. Yeah, that's no pay.
Yeah, no man.
In 33 days, I just will you.
One can pakora ho.
A living kakas.
Yeah, nipan bibiri in. And they, Omanhene, make us a memene dano. Anopa me sorry ya me so me phone. Obi obofri bia me kwaye scan. Ne labs. Ye report no ba Yesi me kidna ho den wo fom, me kidna ye mre, me kidna enipa toa so 4. Miss H. Na de ye ko hini. Obi obefiri bia ne kidna ho den wo fom. Mesrew didi yie na wote ase no mokura na ye dan no ase waja oma. Me kamfo ama wo se me future life enye woduane. Na future life enye woduro. Me future life enye woduane, na future life enye woduro. Uturu papa danse ya. Oba oboto ye mi minimum ade korokora mi nim no kora. Na esichire ye check ye ne kotetetere de. Inshiranka ewrade se wose aba 4 point something. Enuru na won no bebre no eno aso be se akun. Na me ka kire wo se didi yie ma woduane nya woduro na future life ne ya ahodo wo ba ene ye be kire wo de esese wudie ebu ho a ha ye kwa ho nto obatom de anuane bi wo ho a me kire wo ni na afei ebaboa wo future life no ye won smart food original obi adibi eno na me kamfo de ama oba bi a wonyem wonim se onyem a pebi ne to na ebaboa wo papa afei ye won zero future life ewo ho ene wo high protein ewo ho mo amokọ gym anopa mo ye exercise no wo hia se obedi high protein a future life for ede aba eno na ebaboa wo eno firi ho a ye wo repair food usisi no kotodwe waposo gregre nkasa no etwi kasa o branka sanka brana me ma repair food borofo no ye repair ye kurom kasa se ekosiesie ebesiesie ne ma se wo widie ni nyina na no firi ho a ya ma beauty ahofa nkasa wo ho be ye fa nkasa de aya wo ni nyina wadwene ye se wabemu abuo na edida so ni ho no me de brana me mu oduane ni efisa achia ne mui eye aduane nam de ma wo eye future life na ni nyina wo kwa akoda na ma life tonic dudo no me se wuduru ho atobi ebobo da che ho ban ebobo wan kasa dudo no numbi ansa na wada na minim se make kan life tonic ko bobu sasa ye dian eye enubrankoa na ne hunsu yakeka bom nubran mako aduonu nwotwe na me se obi a wo se onam ane wa bre wo ya ade kakra ne wa bre na titiriti ne niema every ma ye kwanti ntim mo ya de din na emo se so wakoma ye kese enlargement of heart na me more future life the life tonic aka ho na wo se edi na wo twe hunhunu hwe ji usika ne ko mesiti ye ni ye wo so wakoma ye kese wo ya ade kakra ne wa bre na me more life future life the life tonic aka ho me ma na wo twe wo se anya hwe ba ji usika de to ye nyina ne fa ko me ka kira wo minnim de eye me metena ha nwa menum nkira wo ya de papa nam de abo man mu ade ntira ma nkone nam se me koto na emum yade ene nam so a medi aduan nam se me famra na me nuanom ne me kuromfo ene oman mu nipa bia eni aduane bi na aduane aboa me ne babusua adan na me ma wo so ni bi adan ne nipa wo sesika bebrebe saa bra na me nhwawo eye aduane ya hwe ekase ne so for alignment e wo kumase enkran ye wo Ghana Telecom University opposite abeka junction de ya no Cars Estate via ho afei Palace Mall nyina Palace Supermarket wo Flower Port Sprinters Road okwa ubenya Future Life ye wo Kaswa ye wo Cape Coast ye wo Takura Dek ye wo Kumawu ye wo Afijase Ejoso Asante Achemagogo afei Konongo etwem de ko Mampong afei Sunyane Pechimai Achirensua Takwa Obuase Dunkwao ehirifa Greater Kumasi nyina Ejoso me say ofre ye ne ya kyerɛw ukuro bi ni hɔ a ye hweka o station na wo kyerɛ ne bi wo Kumasi nko a ye de ba ko mane car ne driver de abro yade ya minuanom ba bi etutu galam say ni gold no ene wo bia se ne kid na ho den wo fom bra ne be di Future Life why awurade nka mo ho ye number si nie wa wo hwe TV no so de wo hunu number no 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 and a number for 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90. You was so for interchange so I adwa that ko se memreda hia yan me free ha na yema waduane papa ni awrade nhyira mo nyina
awrade kan ho ya Boakye na moten kan from your Bolivia Enterprise Future Life ya toothpaste ne ya toothbrush and I make come for amawo say bomodina say omo 3 variants no total care toothpaste a bo was saying mobile man to kruntukru mem emma empro emma kaka ene plaque every few ahunu nyina emma afei whitening toothpaste ma osia efita na heba no so man o se ho aye dendenden a emubuo ye wo prince princess monarch duke duchess ene kitty brushes bebre e wo ho seba esen pa ye twitwi amna ye kamade a ya toothpaste ya toothbrush esase e kai mo se sompa chede adan wadi bomodena se wo eye bronya brei omema abofra bi abrante bi ababa wabi waye kurani ye elba kurani no so ebedidie ye hye no soronkoma no se de be ya ono so wone ne maso bedidie obi onoma waye kurani ne ma no so ye nyanka ye wusia bomoden fa bibi kakra be support wo mo 0598559802 eye momo liner edini etarawan bi di anasa Blazer Foster obetimi e de emo anwa tomato paste sardine geisha corn beef no ne edi nyina no wo de abeka ye hu na ye nso de bi asoso ne etimi ama ukraini no ene nyanka ne awusia no so na Sompa TV ye wo ye 21st clinic building ne mu ha ya obetimi e de aba na bibia akoso kama e de amount have 21st clinic ane sciatica expert oto asiatwetwe wa che ojo ho ba bia anye anopa me come formal say for ni eche 21st clinic aso ye bia na sciatica yes sciatic nerve na ho atechima no yemfa edro enka no machine massage ahodo enom ne scan ne lab ahodo nyina no ye twabi bra. Now we are the sciatica experts. The number is 0540311311 0540311311. Obapa, I want to say, Dibi Aboko, Yadobadi Asi, and pay and some paben adinam.
Yo, my mighty for Achibio and free cements, vital herbal mixture, and capsules. Ya just to say a guy a better say. Ya drag guy no ya die bia yaw ewo ni padriam no agan ye di nubna ene hahama ahye ne masede be ya ebetu yaw ase ede afri uni padrianim yaw no ewo usisimu no ema ne mema ne nyina sisi yade no abeja amoso no a wotena se na wopegya mu a wote yaw ewo mu oda na wosode na wote se wosisi yaw mu no ni nyina oto semens vital herbal mixture ene capsules agan no na fe wo de pre-care natural powder na ewo no a ebe yi sisi yade no nyina e de afri ho eya na ye kuro e na aba usisi nim enu nti e na otena so na asode na so kwa adwuma so a na afe wote ya no nyina e ya gan any pre-care natural powder no e na woto akabom na aboa e to sisi yade mu ya no e de afri ho e bia na wonso wachi bremo no e na ya na wote ya ewom obi ha wontumi enkoto entena se obi ntumi enda obi da just wokogya ne ho e de to empaso se wontumi mu ntwira wo mpaso na wo na ye wachi bremo no e na ya wo mu nti e na akwafa ba anapai e Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules again no na wo to anom na afi wo de pre-care natural powder no awo no na akọ wachi bremo nim na afi akoyi ya no nyina e de afri ho e de amount e to sisi kuro no nyina edi afri ho no afi so na esane edi aba oto ase ho no entini no yaw na ewo mu ni nyina oto Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules again bi na afi wo de pre-care natural powder no wo di piano a ebeyi oto ase yaw no nyina edi afri ho so sisi no eya wo ya esan kwa oto ase ho se ho ni nyina ya wo ya na woto again bi na afi wo de pre-care natural powder no ewo na ebeboa wo eyi yaw no nyina edi afri ho ama wo ho atumi ato memma no say ya wo ewo sisim ne kuro aba wo sisim a affect wo manhood no etumi emwa emma wo bema no emoja no wo say die afusane koba no etumi enkomba ye ekobasa na aba wo bema no hawa bam de be fon wa na afon obu ho so ne de ne be sori enam say ya no ewo sisie nim akwa didi ne bema ne munti obehu na afa wo tumi enya adwuma no a ewo se wo je no Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules oto again na afa wo de pre-care natural powder no enso e de account de bia ye ka cho say okwa a wo se wo oto again eni afa ye pre-care natural powder no ye prekesa powder oto a enurani nuru ahoden no a ebebo ayiya na afu ni pedua mu nyina do kasiesie e de egu capsules no eni afa mixture no emu eni afa pre-care natural powder no oto ya me the numbers ni baba tudwa na wa freye ofra na wa kire ye wo haw no na ya kire kwan a obefa so a obenom edrone numbers no eye 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 and I say 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 okraya na fede wo bia wo ne ya ka ukoto agan no na de pre-care natural powder ne ka ho a na fe wa freye o freye no wa cheche wo ha ne mu e de a kire yen na yesu a kire kwan a obefa so a obenom agan no ebia won so de no eye wo yam e na ya na ejaw no ewo agan ne de etu ya wase e de afri nipadua ne mu ti se ye wo yam e na ya na wo ti se ejaw ewo wo yam ni nyina oto agan bi na the pre-care natural powder no wo de ka ho a ebetu eyaw no ewo wo yam ni nyina e de afri ho eye kuro agan ne betu agan no de akoho akwakokum yan kuro ni nyina e de ama obu ho so ne dwuso twa no e na ya na odwonso a otese yaw pa edi akire sa wo dwonso na je sa wo kan sisi so ansa no watimi dwonso na tumi aba anasa je sa wo chema ansa na dwonso na tumi aba me pa chawo koto agan Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules na fe wo de pre-care natural powder no enso edi akaho ebeyi yaw na wo dwonso twamu ni nyina edi afri ho ama wo so da wo beda na ho onsore impressam pre9 prenum enwonso ansa na de ache wo dwonso so a wo kan sisi so ansa na dwonso no etumi aba emane so a eya na musisi ya mo yenti no kwa fichira obetese na ejawo ewa fichiko no emu etumi ma wo ye basa etumi ma wo de no kra bo so wa ye basa ote ya wom emane tumi maye ni nyina koto agan ni bi Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsule so to am se to pre-care natural powder no na wo de abo no ebeye fichiko ma mani hunu ni ya ni nyina e de afri ho amaboso me so oba obekwa fichira ya obia enim onti ya obia ebeba kama bese ama wonso ho atumi ato onipadua no honam yawo e na age waboso anu nti ama wonu mato ontumi endidi ya ma obo a wontumi mbo a ni nyina oto agan no now the pre-care natural powder no edi ka ho a ebeboa etu nipadua no mu yaw nyina edi afiri ho nipadua na ya obasabasa na no waye no fo no frɛ na wo yade ochena wo yade ni nyina oto agan ni bi na wo no ma ebeboa asiesie nipadua no etu yaw bia ewo nipadua no enso edi afiri ho mo nso a moko baby so anasa moko toilet so a eya na mote yawo na afo bi kokko bokra etumi epie ba na emoja wom ni nyina auto cement vital herbal mixture any capsules ni bi na wono ma ebe boa wasiesie ni nyina ama okokko bo no yawo na ya na ewom ni nyina ni moja no efiri mu ba nyina ebe firi ho ama wo so ho ato me so to agai na eya freye na ye tro kwan ya obefa so anomedo ye numbers no eye 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 and that's 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 obi baby say agan any afa pre-care natural powder na hefa and obenya bi ato yedro ne ato petene e wo Ghana ntwea ene ne ntwedo nyina eso enti na make catch us wo freye na wa kire ye baby awowo na ya kire baby ebe wo na akoto cement vital herbal mixture ene capsules ni binemom obakuma se hatafo a okọ PF pharmacy or Waterfuni Road Junction ubenya agan no any pre-care natural powder ni bi na water Colinac herbal ewo Ashtown have men so ewo Asafo Freddy Men's any Rock Pillar herbal munyina ewo KO enkran so okọ Repast Ventures or Kanshi drug lane ubenya cement vital herbal mixture any capsules ni bi na any pre-care natural powder ni nyina na afei wato afei humble madam so ewo Ashamai Pena herbal ewo Cape Coast Jeff Heba enso ewo Mankasim enafe Akobam Heba enso ewo Enkoko Ja Heba enso ewo Ghost so se de bidika ka chow no yewo Ghana fana nyina etu wo adwuma obeya ne sa ogie ye numbers na wafreye na wachire bebia ebewo na wakọ akoto eye cement vital herbal mixture any capsules eye agai ebeto se etuko dipadua nim eyi honam yawo nyina eni sisiade nyina ede ekọ emema ne ma ne nyina ema ne bi wo hɔ a enam so omosisi yo omoye nti akwa ma afa omatenka nyina eswate ni sisi ya ne na okwa na gya ne kuru behia no otumi fa de ehia no eno ti ma ne nyina monto bi ma mokuru nom na afa emema ne soso moto a na matobi ede ama ema no ebesiesie nipadua no etu nipadua mu yaw nyina ede afiri ho sisi ya de no na afa eko yade bi anase ye yaw bi a ewo nipadua no ode ebeso woto aduro no afre ye mema ne titiru brotherhood code wo ho ye bebie edi ama na aboa tu yaw nyina edi afri ye nipadua nim numbers no 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 and that's 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 SMS vital herbal mixture ne capsules you just say agai ebeto se o mai me dase
aseda nyame dia Okay, Mami kwa humano so na mne honorable Erika for Amenfi West mrashe bejani. Honorable afọ me mo ache.
Njosu menia.
Ye kasa ya che.
What are on from me?
Yo, Enra, eniema bi koso wa appointment committee. Edom kuma no essay or preliminary submission. You are ga mama kan interjection here and there. Omu fi say ekobi ase ne kwan a you are ga ene edom kase no na mafa so no say nya de amemo omo aye vetting no na enu nti omo sorry koi Ghana fo bebre ani anye ne koye no wadaroma ene e course we o kan say
Mama na wa tsa no pe wa frem na menchia ahefo ni atifo ni no pe Andra eyenokwe mentimi ankotena montem but actually me member of the appointment committee but a man may okwan say appointment committee etnasia as a member of parliament I have the right to go and access them Andra me college but overhead say dom ketwa no committee members no omobae no omo ni gina no mokoye and the remarks of the majority leader at the tail end of the vetting Jena epese ekoso said you over your marking the submission about Simbia na oka about the president nominee about for money say Mrabi Bre Chitreno say nanke say fairness animani na iwi ansana waba betanasi ansana yetumi advertising anything bebre but the mechanism say you see the law is always the law emra oyedenya eyemra the former chief justice CJ Enokan the law is the law in mere fact say fairness the immediate past chief justice Abayan Willis, from her job doesn't mean say then people should take that entrenched position to disrupt the vetting of the appointment committee of the president nominee. So what's now and Uncle Drew submissions so who drew the time of baby's question so. Uncle Baby's question would have been the best. That is our stand now, because as the minority leader and then ranking member of this committee, you have unlimited questions to ask.
That's right.
So why can't you wait? It goes what? Any question we have to be Uga Bonnie is there to answer your question. So why do you have to make that initial comments no? And because the majority leader is also there to do government business, so he won't allow you to disrupt the vetting, and you went away. So I don't think they should blame anybody. Ghana should blame the leadership of the minority. But lo and behold, the whole thing was successful yesterday. You see, I sat through at the middle of the vetting up to the end, and I think it was nice. One thing I want Ghanaians to know and understand is with your questions are you bisa papa no minim the later I was papa you bisa a question now just answer the question and go away. But he does a lot of elaboration, which means he has a deep knowledge of the job of Kwakoye. You see, he has stayed there for so many years and has transitioned in various governments, MPP, NDC, and he knows the nitty-gritty. He knows the problem in the judiciary. So to me, when we rank them, he is the best person. Putting all political eyes aside, he's the best person to lead the judiciary as we speak today. And at times, I keep saying, we should all be nationalistic. I was saying yesterday, I had a lot of interview with the sister media station.
Okay.
We should not be nationalistic. Despite the fact that you belong to the other side, other colors in the country, doesn't mean abano de ade papa bi eba or person feeling some photo bi na de ade I have to wear the political spectacle all the time. No. For me, in my final remarks and conclusion, I will say that the MPP want to me and participate in the vetting process. They should blame the leadership of the minority in parliament.
Obviously, Fenoma can be na amaso.
The leadership is the leader.
Yeah, so Kaho and then another prayer nomne Patricia Piejemo.
The leadership.
Officer, one more leadership no M1 MPP.
You see, maybe I say Jack BSU, make I could be the MPP now with the leadership of the MPP in opposition. And I said, well, more maybe I don't want to talk about the leadership and the capabilities.
Oh, okay.
Maybe that is the style. But, you know, we are not perturbed. We are not disturbed about the happenings in parliament, what is going on. The government is focused. Abano in India all year. The government is not disturbed. Share minim say enya hwekra no Ghana yedin. Ghana yedin obia ne gye aban na ye ton. Sabio ya soriano pa eni yisika chen ko botom. But indirectly the economic policies talking about the monetary and fiscal policies of the government are a trigger into all sectors, all businesses. No, Nyamiabua is ongoing, and Ghanaians are happy. That is what we want, not your kickbacks and other things that will disturb the government. No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Honorable Medasi, Honorable. Amenfi West, Mrasebe Janina, Meneno Atwchen Komo, ono so de edom kese no de aba. Me catcher Musano pay mene the treasurer of the New Patriotic Party, Dr. China, no na hotedin no. Ai oboni din sa no na obia akwaba. Na umpom to say. Unyini daw. You're always looking young and baby face in one. I didn't power trim. Only pebia nanim chunchuma na boni na yema. Also, unyini na wanim edaso eluku younger. Na just say unyini nipa ho boni. I didn't power trim. MPP. I share yet to say. A honor free bar. What to say?
No, correct. Nansa no maminchi itiefo ni ahwefo na ofanche meba no na bibi besi kwanti na mentumi endu ha. Anya hwe. Ma babedu. Na medinchi akese nso na free ahye kese mu na eba from chairman Stephen Ayesu in team ho ene chairman Butazi say oti adwemu ma chairman in team ene general secretary ni party mpanifo nyina ho na eba. Kwesiada na mebedu Ashanti region for a 1 week official visit. Na bibi ada din omu se abato ay koyi na ye hwehwe no ye nsa nka nkugo na ye nkugo mu eden pa ye nkugo
we nkugo mu Pro Max
but some my akunya me yesua nyoma bebre.
That's right.
And no and akofa reorganization and a restructuring aba. The no whole update and a party penny for my a year last week. Now restructuring new reorganization no to me yet a brown for sikasem enka ho. Sikasem a play key role.
That's right.
If say a manuko ye koye be nyina sikasem ye fakese na. And you know say yan tenti nyoma na yan hihye nyoma yi a ebe den amaye. Mpenifo do mo sukonom se da bi. Part of nkugu a ye koye nya wo frɛ no Promax eye this mantra of ye nya hwe me sure say wa wo TV bebre no na party masi na ye nya hwe and ampa na Ade Akye opposition. In fact, votes are nya over 2 million. And also saying other political parties.
That's
right.
Just
say this nya syndrome na real. It's no more a perception. It's a reality. And see bedomo suko. Na nya hu ne fire by na yetumi to asie. Na nyame enum ne kra ne do mo suko no hu say nya eye seem to be abeda ho. Asedie bia e wo se party ma ye a ye gya to ho. Na make us a medical say amanyoko de ye disika na ye is largely about money.
Okay.
O call baobebo posters, so be billboards, so be radio adverts, ninkeka ho mobilize sika. Enti sika and a party empenifo nso so ahye party yam papa no yam maame no ma 91 92 om chichire party hu se party ni hie sika dia na ni sie ma nkrankra nipa ba ko pe na odi ni sika ye o sie nyina ye chichi ye ntoboa ekabo ma ye dues na ye tumi de chichire party na bi se ko ye ba kofo a anhwe obefa party na hye ni botum nti e deduce hye mu but for a very long time ye jatum edu dues and a party ni so hie sika nti no abrebia na party na ko individual so na obi atam sika pudo ye koye campaign no de aba ye koye we no de aba ye koye we no de aba nti aba ne sana nipa na ye hia we no de aba ye hia we no de aba no adodo de bi ba party ni mu a obeji ne kese nti hwese nipa ye hia 10 million no akotam de aba 15 million no akotam de aba 5 million no akotam de aba na dodo de bia be wo senke chema party me wa Ashanti man dem
na the crown ye 50 million
exactly
obefa be 40
exactly nti aba ne sana ebe kam propro na nkrankran nso che na bia bedu Ashanti man dem ha ebe bia kopiem kwada so me constituency ma esane akọ Nwomase polling station e bia metom aba ema MPP fo wo nso anya bi nti ne be ya ne se party madodo na be so se ye nya hwe ena ye kase adododie ye mfa masa nkofo insusu a esika ye de ko chichiri party no ewen nipa ne sika na ode chichiri party no enti nipa ne si mehia wei na wanfa ama no a
mfa me ba we nto ha
exactly na akofa nse
mfa busu ne nyina ha
sa enu na mpenifo ye se dabi eye cyclical ye nim se dodo na edi yaw dodo na sum party ye di party ye che omunya kapre so de ye nya hwe na it's real obi nka se nya no kre eye real but emra so say ye de na isi form emra so say ye tackle the bull by the horn emra so say ye swallow the bitter pill na ye ka se eye niemu adi kono omunni nko na ne aka ne mo ho ban boy ye be ho ban ne say ye de ye teku ye simpoa 2 CDs, me 2 CDs, or 5 CDs, me 5 CDs, or 8 CDs, me 8 CDs, or 10 CDs, me 10 CDs. Ye canning in album. Now ye to me at the church party no. If we say a year, system ya ye way. Do you see party in Penfoy and say? You say they are flexible. I have 4 categories. A year Kesepa wom, a platinum 10 CDs. Nya a toswo a year 8 CDs gold. Nia etoso eye 5 CDs silver and then ye work from kra no eye 2 CDs kuma kra wom ne 2 CDs now when you the 4 categories of dues are yɛwɔ ɛwɔ yɛn system ni mu ɛno nti no ya pilot pay o ya pilot pay minua ya pilot dues no na omo tu dues ye enrolling on the pilot phase now we 9,400 no mundu 10,000 impo but on the average we were getting 8,000 cedis a day and statistically if I say nipa 10,000 am 8,000 cedis a day na chesi e bomodi anya nipa 100,000 benya 80,000 cedis a day yen target as a party treasury any say out of the over 4 million to abama ye afi ko abato bia no yempemu be 1 million every say nipa 4 million ni echiri to abama ye statistically it means your core membership of about 2.5
okay
and yet 2.5 no to 3 million and 3.5 no omu nyina na betumi atua initially but at least emu 1 million there they should be able to pay and yenya sa 1 million na inferring from the statistics ye pilot we are looking at about 800,000 a day. Oh, the all funnel on the average, you cry now 50% of that. That's 400,000 Ghana cedis a day, and in a month it's over 10-12 million.
That's a party to be in discussion.
Exactly. That is where we want to get to as a party, to be self-reliant. If we say party ma ekikanya ho a ho dia ye wo no eso sin sika ankran de beba. Se party ma ye keka ho a ye betumi ama party na gina ne nan so eno na beboa ye ma sa syndrome ye nya ahwe eto atwa efri se party to me mobilize 10 million 20 million ye akiri ebosumi bia ye ho nkohia se ye bekwa akodi obi 5 million ema nipa na ba be refer ye na dododie bi ba waje afa
asa no kra no sa nipa no tumi duru ma bia o se enam sa matua bibi nti mo nto abama me ana me na mpesa me ye kandifo
efri se umma kwan ema ankra nipa baakofo edi ni bottom sika enko aye party na invariably party ni kodi ni ho sade ne ka ho bi na di party ni nya ema party no yantumi anya ne wose ye ena di enko opposition yi enu nti na mpanifo se da bi se ya restructure dia na ne enye mobilization for members nko a wose ya restructure ne mobilize financial resources so if we say we have strength in our numbers say ye ma ya odie na ba fom ye ma akoma na abufu ahyema no adwodwo na ye nyina ya sɔre wakase ye asede a Omanhene ye betumi anya sika pudu afiri yankasa ye ho na ye de aye party adwuma
eba sa so on say I'm a contributor.
You feel proud of it?
I feel proud.
Exactly.
And a party ni ye bibia I have a say.
Exactly.
Party ni ye bibia na enko ya me kan ye tie because me kan ho.
Sir.
And say a member of good standing.
Exactly.
It is a bibi touch my asante man tem na me tua me do sir. They know I'm a member, so when I speak they listen.
Sir pepe.
And the party for no so kan ho. Akwa te say kotoko ne hasi. Obe de sa kotoko gina che ye de obe no wontua ni do su da. Hasi de and coach when ya one year okobusa na. De de bo hasi ho bra no ontua bi da. Enso na no den. Eje wo se party no mano so hunu se. So on be so omoje party ni se omo de ade a. Omo se de e na no pay. Doctor China eka ho asem no. Because one fa wo ho anhyem. Na wo mo obi koya. Edu ni echa ada na wo ba bedie. Yese de wapoto no. To di boma so wonchiri. Ana haji amboa. Akwa ba wo to say. De bia boko. Doc, it is the see no more opposition. Mo lusu Pro Max. Musika sem to say. Because now can check out for some free opposition time and say Muniska answer or margin be omu I am opposition wo until now acquire say oh
on say I am a canko for be some na MPP broke is MPP is no broke.
Good.
Do you see IAGG? And yes, sebi impreduas and ye broke ye nishi capre we hunting ye.
Etina mojeje.
Nyedikan eye party nhihye. Say we a party ni bia
so tia
we betua dues okay, Article 34B of the old constitution and Article 35B of the new constitution. A member shall be in good standing where the member has paid his or her dues in full in a prescribed format.
That just say, until dues, you are not in good standing.
You are not in good standing. And untina and Central Phone Shame and last week, General Secretary to just say, party decision, they say, if you know, so why you would use na ye bibi wo party ni mu a, you can participate fully as a member in good standing. Enti ye besre obi a wo ha e mani nkodu sam pempen so no wa wutie wo ye party ni
afa be preposition na obese wo kan 2 years ayi ebom betua no eno so mo kan say
eno
watra wa wontua ni dues or purpose nti no akotam ebia 1000 no the abase
otua ni
nyina bom
on say no ya ma ni tua no cry mememe ehun hia so benanti akọ party of in fact ye fiscal cash biom he say ni nyina ye through the short code *920 *270 hash *920 *270 hash simple 920 *920 *270 hash. Oba, edobe ko payment portal no. Na ebisa number 1, upeso tia dues. Number 1, 2, upeso ye donation. 3, upeso make it claim. 4, upeso o check with dues. Enti 4 no between their check with dues status.
Omo baby a uchina.
Baby a what you do e ka wo de ne ade. Na no fi won ma uchusu 1 na ebebisa o say. Utua ma ho ana utua ma obi. If say yenim say nya obia na digital and no system is such that say umami bi na papa bi o fie ana wo nua wo fa bi o fie ntumi enya
no sikotia ma
na wo fa wo phone na wo bechusu paying for others na wabo ono ne telephone number na hye ho
okay
enti sika bi obetua bi na be call no ni din mu ono na be hu alert no on the phone so wo tua ma wa ho so ana ne wa choose myself wo choose myself wie baby saw say dues ahodo 9 no 10 cedis 8 cedis 5 cedis and 2 cedis emu de enwo he na wo pe if you say e flexible nya wa wo show bottom na wa yumu baako and 2 cedis na pa na wa choose 2 cedis nya wo be choose na hwa na obeda e hwa so na dodo the benefits bi ba e be kire the benefits ni obi abenya bi but the mudro no
enye so be kire
exactly nti nya otua 10 cedis de be wo soro nya otua 2 cedis de be wo from but obi a ebenya bi enu nti no achusu na afi ebisa o say bosome dodo sen e na opeso otua 1 month ana 5 months ana 10 months ana say 24 months etumi tua at a go 24 months na watua uwia na calculate ama no abo momo pin na sika no ekọ eye party account mo EcoBank straight enti amunumu ho na obenya omomo receipt kire say usika na ekọ EcoBank na wasend your receipt electronic receipt from MPP pay and no dia dance say what you would use category anyway na yenim say yem papa no ne ma menum bi wo ho ma omo no even though omanya receipt omo phone so no omo passion so die bia obetumi dia akoto fie enye telephone so nko a and am say yentua fiscal cash or constituency nti no yem ma receipt but ye wo ye dues booklet yi on so ubiemu a titide na na use no kan 92 die no bi na party we no wa ha na akomu nsusu a we no table no wa ha what you would you say we no you can approach any constituency office benwo na odu details of telephone number ne ma officer na ho no obebo system no mu o system no na confirm say ampa what you from January to August na wa endorse ama na o de akoto na say o de ato fridge so na o TV animu na so o de ahwa why proud say ampa party no exactly to me o ka ho bi ene ye nti wenumu ne ekwan a ye fa so a ye di twa ye ndusi ye omo so omo nyanya eye party card no so ye biem eno so akwanya ya sha ase a ye biem unya bia obetumi akọ party office bia na akọ register in fact preferably a person who yen wo polling station to constituency polling station
now are people registering.
Yes, people are doing that ye koni ebanyina people are registering ya de. Na yenim so say dudo na se na menyanya card me dem etuadus e mane how sika bia so won register mpo a utua sika na watua no ebekwa ko share number na watua na se enti se ochina bi wo de number no register sika bia sa number no atua as dues no ebeba be share odin mu enti sika bia ni ho ebeyira so I encourage you wa wutie me for our telephone na dial star 920 star 270 hash star 920 star 270 hash star 920 star 270 hash.
Yeah, Grace, Fatu Sway.
Star 920 star 270 hash. Now, network bia obetumi adale. So, what shaman so now amanonia? Amanoni no to mean dial short code we no. And we download MPP mobile app. Ewo App Store and our Play Store.
MPP
mobile. O download there. And also so ubetumi the tual dues. Ubetumi the print due statement. Send your banker. What's a bank and print bank statement ma. Ubetumi the check dues in near what you do near the until you star 920 star
920 star 270 hash.
Exactly 270 hash.
Okay.
Na me GDA say eye adia ebeboa party no ama sa syndrome we idea ko nkugo kese mu ibetu ase na minim so say beyond we a party ni choboy mature dues mani age party mpenfo de nhihye bebre benefits eba na ni nyina no enkansie but one of the first set of benefits eba probably the group accident insurance policy no accident insurance policy a party ni to ama party ma in good standing na behwe nyoma 92 ni di kan se wahia nkwanhia bi accidental death na nkwanhia na resulting owu nyame mpengu wahia nkwanhia no atwere nkwa eba ne sa na wo next of kin enam insurance yi so no party be ma no up to 100,000 Ghana cedis ne tosu mienu se nkwanhia no to ena nkwanhia no ye ka nkwanhia nye ka nkwanhia nko a ena nye se wo ye party adwuma nko a wo fie wo afuom wo do se kan ehwan nkwanhia usan ufie steps na wo party na
nye se bia ye ko campaign na ka akotna
debi nkwanhia bia ba bia wo bia
se wo ye party ban a utia udis no
in good standing no se nhihye ase se ye adwuma na party mpanifo pa ho ntoma na nkwanhia no to na se sebio wo de nyame ncha de wanhwe nkwa na emu wodi dem we twa wo nan ye twa wo nsa wodi dem permanently no you will be given up to 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Ye toso miensa wo de ye nyame ncha de otri ye nkwanhia no si ye no when did them permanently na emu nsa no emu abu untumi nkwa adwuma enkopa bi mafie ntu betena fie na wotwe miensa enan enum na wotwe bi a wotifie untumi nkwa adwuma no the insurance in Bema allowance, weekly allowance of 1,900 Ghana cedis, up to 1,900 Ghana cedis. And then you track to
and
then you track to 1 year.
I'm going to report to hospital. Say me home Tommy. Me did dia. About what I'm checking you. 1,009 a week.
Systems so honoma you be prevent abuse.
And the last one I don't know
asema okay na me call coincidence bi ameni omoka asema obi kan na doctor any over me akafio
na me be pia dey.
Now that's the benefit of it, but
that's a very wonderful thing.
Inbuilt systems. The 4th point here, you get up to 10,000 Ghana cedis to cover your medical expenses through the accident. I'm saying that perhaps this will be one of the first set of benefits because
this is one of a kind. Me who be Ghana.
Exactly. So MPP, you know, we bring innovation.
Motrawa me pama pam mamuti from team asana money abam hoso. MPP, at some time I ask, what is wrong with you? Because Ade Akye Abia 2J.
Yes, it's long.
Ade Akye Abia 2J. It's so fantastic. Same ekuba. Na menja nkwanhia. Na just the presence of even treasurer, any leadership, abam whole fee, hospital, and just say campaign. Oh yeah, yama, aman yourself na be yeah, aman yourself say you capture political power, but the welfare of your members. This is something of an innovation that is unprecedented. Say me waha me MPP ni, azuka MPP ni na. Oban penifo ate se wanya accident wapra na ni fie. By that alone you have won about 10 votes. Straight up. Because community ni kratia na say nkrofo mo ye papa sa obi betima gina no, so not a word from flag bearer e dia kotoaba. Exactly. Mutra me bromo ama moto form say timansa na makanya mo. I think you should munch someone, sir.
A part of the restructure. Yeah, restructure. Send a bear, yen train, Pim and Sana, Sandia.
Mutapim dodo. I ponchiana. The Piamu Pim Sana Basaba.
Young chef from you, you tea, any a night pim boy. Is there a cane? Your 9 up pim boy,
Candy Acampa.
You need a form pa, you know, at that form, you be a that form, and routine your pessy ye and yashi if you send a bear.
Ade Akwaba. Asante mosomo bottom to say.
Oh, the bottom of the Yakakra. Na me o coming your bema do kind. Abroad the yendi pada seven. Was I share is long overdue. So you could say come.
Aja be mic no kakra ba onim kakra mami.
Long overdue. Yes, I say na all the copy hana we could trade with the far hana we trade because of personal interest. A do by people, nanny panny party no home, nanny panny, a general no one casa home. And then Amayako drew baby a dream. But me did say engage 4 years here. We are going to bounce back. Now back to the deals no. Me debia meka me say in Shishaya na a board party no. A mad party ni a party me papa na it's about the dues. Na edu baby no dues are some kind of cow party no be. And then na my could do baby do a play very important role. Me no be massa o ye party ni na wutu dues when need do party ni cha. Adentina about to do baka cement koto aba. Adentina baka koto aba.
Okay.
Because wakube di echire usika ka ho. Bako koto aba.
Baby a usika also wakoma ho.
Usika no ho na wakoma wo. Okay. But edu baby no ye jai no mo bebre. We're just running the government running without consulting the party. And then am be do baby do. Nti me de e me ahoaho e me ni gisronko say sa campaign ya sa maso as a party a ye conform akodi djuma no. Me gidi say we a ye share constituency executives na ye share police station even including the coordinators. Na ya bo hu dewro ama obi hu say there is a need as I say you to dues. Me na I'm not a active politician back at the old days no. But na me get donation be bread my MPP. Na me try me dues. Me buy me first time as a regional treasurer. Me the me dues card by all one no it is there and I presentee. And my mom for you to say yes. Haji MPP ni. But I say no. Dear na for the past year about power 8 years. Nippon do one the betre. Say me a party ni. And the people stop donating, people stop paying their dues because of Nippon donating where the number of people have my party no. Even as a document member than Nippon. There's not even certificate that just say ya menu anasa offer ya o tue sika say anasa o donate say the boy party no. But as I said there, the man aye fe, aye nika, aye ma enija bomunu say, who donated to the party, you get your certificate. Who donated to the party, you have your receipt because on for sikanu come individual. Who they come party through digital payment, and it goes straight to the party account. So you have evidence. I just say, as soon as see a donatee for the party, obi wa ho say, party more position, me go be brave, mo buy more fee me. There is no evidence that Chile say, oh, boy, be brave. But this is the best opportunity for Obi other party, be a party, ni, and executives, and I say polling station executives. Everybody on board, everybody who was sent to Memoha beyond Ashanti region over MPP at heart ye share enuma pa ye be ye as a government would you say MPP there wa boa me in this MPP opposition as a same boa na as a party na as a me boa to me there Omanhene ye ni je kese pa ma me na me gidi say inshallah sa enhihye ye dey abayi anomuntu a ye pese etu ye will go beyond what we expect and even what is our target no ye hihye papa we are going to go beyond
which may chia for so
na say nipa ni bebe contribute a edu election a obi nka say me nya ahwe ana say me nkoto aba because na kuma edi echire ne bibia edi echire to do ho na obi a wo fie bia no be soro waka koto aba me dem we gide so nko say with these dudes no
okay
people to come and vote
I say a treasure for you din come on enemy sika say kutu say bam sister Kidi Glamour ewo eye Atinga Junction opposite China Mall next to Fidelity Bank bro nyen enkwalanta de nyinada baby items back to school items pregnancy list wanyimobi tie me onyem no akofa list na ba o he list ni ma wotim say waheda ne de ma bi ahyem e ma no bebre nye obetwaw wo de wa fa list koma sister sister me yiri aka 1 month no obewo list ni nie obeka jo say we nka ho obedi no kre e ma no bitim kotwotwo bibi hyem a wotim say oji scanner kodi enti wo de fa list no pregnancy wo ye bema wa fa ko oba wo so de wodi no kre no fa ko ye be ma cause I want e won ma a list I would ko ye mema na yenim na etua ebi bubu ye yo casual clothes I will dress come look nice check clothes any occasional wears jewelries formal clothes any children clothing be from baby to children to father to mother everybody well niema ewo sister Kidi Glamour and wardrobe ye wa ho jo said am ka Atinga Junction ye ne China Mall e Ben Fidelity Bank ukopie mu wo ahensan so a China Mall na eni ni din hwe ni mu e dan a door master wo mu no obehu ye ho numbers no screen so ba wo tie me radio 0245 749199 0245-749199. Kenjin and other drinking water. Numusupa and Sukrojen. 8.5 pH alkaline water. Na onom Kenjin albutum say a ball who buy will liver or lungs or heart or kidneys. Nina da. But more than so benum super. Brema you just see Tafuni Road and Abawa Route Junction over here. Your number is 0241449191. Na may come for Kingdom Herbal Center. Yewo Kaisi Drug Lane and now all leading pharmacies and herbal shops e wo Ghana hano ubenya Kingdom garlic capsules and then the bitters ebe yeast stroke no free ho hypertension ama eniema nkoyi arthritis unko to dwenu mu na ehunhunum na ekikabo mu no heart diseases any cholesterol afa untini mu no ni nyina ebe cleared 15 years ye na edi kind garlic capsules eba Ghana yewo tremendous capsules ema oba all vaginal infections, menstrual disorders, afe Kingdom ginseng power. Bema be CPS tabo juma ame abone semamano. Fre 0597 298 855 0597 298 855. TIME time herbal mixture. A 3D yade or loss of appetite, general bodily pains. A TIME. Time herbal mixture. What time HH? Want to mean you so ye bema abase immune system will form juma one person and go ye masa me mana aba no minim aduane a Nyankopon de ma wo mo o matenka wo soro to ye bema na wantimi amadwuma u twema 2 minutes man enye din a wo se bema ye de ma wo but ye best say parliament should take a decision. Dr. China, Parliament in decided how many minutes I was a Bema Chewo Basu. Now, for him say, so who cost how minutes we are? You have fulfilled all righteousness. Abo wabasu. Cause who to me, my church, and I'll get 2 minutes now, we have 5 minutes now, we are there, we are no. Your member, and you see a bread. It's a mumma, na me hu de o parliament am de me ma na yes. Eti friends 0244 417 na bibia enko so kama emfa emmao Avejabi Rural Bank ye de bank about doorstep asempa loan akoba say bia woton clothing and textiles importing goods na akob auto pass uhia neman tentempa nanka odi akoyi uniema sikana no de 24 hour na ye bibia na de bosiana ma oba palo ne ma monka mo women wings of trade traders nomne ade mu betimi aba ne amambosia savings account current account fixed deposit micro susu that chinti investment nomne ade nyina no ye wo na nche bia ye bia atonsu branch e wa atonsu market high school junction nemom jabin headquarters ejoso onwe fumesa bonwire sipeti pom Roman Hill at the Semi New Road and a Pancrono near Boaso. Friend 0544 745856 0544 745856. Not BB Uncle so. Dr. China. You see how your treasure and JB Amuku be nomination after election so. Artist Obako and Nim Kakra na no crana.
I never escaped this question. Oh, my dikaka say a meneswa. Now you got to I would be contesting a different position, the position of General Secretary. But for now, dear.
For now, dear.
As National Treasurer. And visited near maybe Puma Shanti region here. National Treasurer Hojuma. I don't think I'm a regional treasurer.
I will do it.
Your boy.
I
know. A man is one. You ever now you know I be doing como. Now Nintia, a Pessia call. Some party in that capacity
as the CEO of MPP. No. But what can a pain say drew her away? Okay. Radin Ton Super and was I just over and our treasurer.
Oh, Miss Inshallah, my original treasurer for 12 years. I've been seeing in the history of the party 3 solid time, and I make sure I sent my Isika, my MPP. May call second vice chairperson.
Second vice.
Chairperson, yes.
Oh, beautiful.
I say your son party no.
I just second vice will be unchallenged.
Did you say inshallah? Yeah, the party no, not party opposition on my winning. Maybe I know what that. And I use
about power. Yes.
I maintain power. You do power, no do baby. Na a Muslim can anything.
Yes.
Well, me did so winning mass and be brave. But the end some. A because so. As I say, you my day in any party in the power.
It's about power.
To me, the Moji say, inshallah.
Maybe I have a
when she say a national treasure, any party my money in I say,
to be frank, say, my dear way, Mutimi Pejamua. Dr. China, so Mutimi Pejas idea way more. A win-win situation for the party. Because Mitia me dues. Now asema to me. Obi Hodma, Mube Hun say, Abia community when you be out. But it's an opinion leader now, a young man be a Crawford Dono Penasem. Or don't MPP. Yes, a branchy Wakunya accident and I be out to know. Yes, MPP foreman is Sika say, hey, sir, in MPP for my she be say, any of them won't condone one more. Mr. won't say me on Bebuani. And no vote in the community. Because Obi or to Obama MPP no. One to Abba say Okope Bibi crowd or dog party no say.
On my zongo for yet to Obama 2014. A surprising baby bree. Say na MPP who you know na namha zongo ni abayiwa na MPP to amapa. Enti Kenya zongo. Emma and a lot of people change. Say ja wallahi I want to amapa MPP. Inti dog kind said do see say nyina as a party executive polling station coordinator.
What him who shame na mu say a treasurer Juma.
Can say Dr. China Juma na ye nyina Juma collectively.
And also the Nkrofobeka. Somebody that you go pay general secretary or the no banner that you have a case. But ebebua party no.
Say they my nyina no. It's about the party baby doing. It's about the new patriotic party. It's not about Dr. China. Sikana Eco Bank, no. He is not the only signatory of the party or the accounts. It takes 3 people to sign. But a party in Nadia, in Shisha Papa or no say any national executives committee na ye any finance committee
any asoma na o dey ba
nyina project nti misre party ma bebe edu no ye ngai ye selfish ideas na oya idea me be ye ama obi edi enim be ye ama na se edi munyam e she party na edi munyam ono na edi enim but collectively at the end of the day
everybody okay Thomas Odro Kwatin aka DJ 1111 ewo Japan ene na woda Sompa morning show cruise here mountain kwa Prophet Ade Akye Abia Ojanyame founder and leader of Shining Grace Chapel International Kukua Jando na Kukua was say only prophecy kwani diliana yo Jeff Okoto from Father Country and then see our Mr. Richard Kusi entire members of Apostolic Fire Crusaders Ministries International Yamautin Stacy Apia of Asante Achim also someone cancer jeche and a way a free active point dental clinic Emma Vanessa Nanaya Boatin of Gospel Chamber Chapel. I'm a come from Nanaya Boama of Sompa and then Wafakojo Usu MPP constituency chairman. I have one wafe me one catch Southeast constituency from your wife and kids offer. Yeah, my mentonka. My mother, Mrs. Anna Ochre of Atonso Agushu Factory, near Wawoda, DJ Couscous, General Manager Boss FM, Couscous Papa. Christo dia animonyam educhunwa ebe. Christo dia animonyam educhunwa. Christo dia. Pacho Christo dia negu no. Christo hwan dia. Edi atwenye Christo dia. Ka jam say Christo dia. Christodia from your mom ya bema edini di Christodia o si Christodia no credit
Christodia do
the pochen Christodia akrani e Christodia edina the pochen Christodia e do mo kire wo Nana Ma of Kumasi Crow from Father Bronze so Trinkwa Akosia Anochiwa Ajiman Nana ya Boama of Sompa Emma Trinkwa lovely daughter Gianna Free Dunyo of Tre Educational Complex Nana Apinkra Kwesi Kotoko IMC chairman hey now bring Kwesi wa therefore the chair no pay Pastor Dr. EH of the Valley View University the family is wishing you well your daughter Emanuela Nketia Techi today is your birthday on your induction into the Medical Council of Ghana Brabewe Panie etwitwaye na bibia nkoso abusia for me dimu si hanamo doctor meda wase say yeto nsafre oba na menim say wodwuma paso nti erade memu akọ anim sanso na haji anso so haji last time wo ye achiria enam na mayi
abayo
ani hu so
abaye
ya wonam no ya na e kama pa odi kakra bitu haji district me hu so kra nti hweye de bia de fire no next time fan fa obi obi abom crude
apa na se na enkoyi
menim se buy ama amafo abom crude
e buy